Okay, there's the current nail pattern right there. That's the existing nail pattern. Alright, so here I'm going to demonstrate a repairable shingle. This is a new shingle. I can bend back and forth. However, I want to show you, I can bend this way over. And I can't cause any granular loss or anything. The tar that holds all this together is still nice and malleable, pliable. You know, I can bend it over, and I'm bending that hard. I can almost fold it in half. And I'm not getting a crease or losing any granules or anything. I can use this microscope to even show. That's where my crease should be. Let's switch over to my microscope here. Okay, all right, there we go. All right, so there's my finger. And my finger. All right, moving the shingle. That's what a shingle should look like when it's still repairable, still malleable. I can bend it, and those granules don't move. There's no crack. That's a repairable shingle. All right. All right. It's a fail. Right there, and right there, and then right along here. All right, so that is a marked wind damage shingle by the inspector here, just like all these other blue marks. So I just pulled a nail, reset a nail, and these now look like that. And it's because they're too old and brittle. I can bend this back and forth way over 90 and not damage that shingle. I can almost bend it over on itself and not damage that shingle. Just lifting it 45 degrees to pull a nail and set a nail. I'm now getting that crease here. So it's 45 degrees. Getting a crease here, 45 degrees. Here, here, and here. Looks just like that wind damage shingle. Actually, it looks a little worse. It's a non-repairable shingle.